Coming up on Extreme Detail Garage, watch how Luis and Shorty take on this true American icon,
But this piece is very scary.
the legendary Chevrolet 150.
But this thing right here, mamma mia.
This classic beauty was left with heavy scratches and swirl marks on this brand new paint job from a paint and body shop. This is where the Extreme Detail Garage crew steps in
We can do some work, but we cannot really do miracles.
and hopefully repairs the damages. Follow the transformation as they work hard to restore this icon and bring it back to life. All that and more right here on Extreme Detail Garage.
I'm Luis Guevara. I've been in the car detail industry for over 20 years. He's the master of the wraps, I'll tell you that right now.
You need to go down.
Alongside my team, we work in some of the coolest vehicles on the road, from luxury sport cars to monster trucks and timeless classic rides. No job is too big, no detail is too small. When it comes to paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and custom wraps, we do it all. This is Extreme Detail Garage. So here we got this project that we got in the shop. It's the American True Classic. This is the one that never breaks down. That's the one that everybody wants to drive. They don't have the technology. Here we got any car that we can make look good because they're new. But this bad boy here, it takes it. And wherever you can see it around anywhere, it will catch your attention.
My name is Jeff Alexander. I'm the owner of this 1956 Chevrolet 150 series. I get a lot of reaction, a lot of thumbs up, a lot of honking and people waving, and pull up to a red light and people stop and say, "Oh, I love your car, I love your car." I had a 56 Chevrolet in high school, and the first car I ever had was really a 1956 Chevrolet. It was an old beater, but I loved it, you know, I drove it everywhere. After I retired, I needed a play toy. So I found this 56 in Houston over in Pasadena and bought it and brought it back to Beaumont. Took it over to a body shop and had it painted. And after I got it out from painting, it needed a little buffing and cleaning up. And that's why I brought it over here to Louise.
We only use the best of the best. And I got Shorty working for me for almost 18 years. Shorty is one of the pioneers from Extreme Detail. It was Extreme Detail Hand Wash, now we're Extreme Detail Garage. And having to work on the car is my best tool for the customer and for the job. You already got a great finish here, you got a great gloss. It's bringing it back, and I think that's exactly what the customer's looking for. He said that he don't want a perfect show car, but he wanted to look decent when he's driving around. This one here has a lot of damage into the paint, swirl marks, the scratches. Some places they don't have even enough paint, but we're gonna make sure that it looks outstanding for my customer when they come back. One of the things that we love to do is bring some gloss on these beauties. I wanna make sure that there's no break dust and anything there. The customer is not expecting that, but we're gonna make sure that looks good. This is not really a good thing here. Be careful whenever you do the polishing. I don't want to burn between. I want to make sure that, we got enough damage on the car by the painter that we don't want to make sure we damage that more. But beautiful car at the end. This is what I'm worried about it a lot. This is a very, very damaging piece in here. You got these here, you got the edges, gotta make sure with that. You got all these sun marks in here. This is very noticeable. This one here bothers me a lot. I'm in love with this car. The black is always a car that everybody want to have, but nobody wants to maintain. And it shows every single imperfection when you're driving around. This one here, I don't think I can do much about it. The chrome pieces are oxidized in some areas. We're gonna use the steel wood to recondition those areas where the chemical didn't work. So many sand marks. Every single drill, they look like a snake drill. This is terrible. I'm dying here with all this sanding. You know, one of the things that we like to preserve on every vehicle is the clear coat. Clear coat is the life of the car. Not everybody's willing to pay a $25,000 paint job. Everybody's willing to pay $10,000. Some people's willing to pay $5,000 job. And the problem with that is when you start choosing your painter, the experience that they have, plus the skill that they carry, plus what are you paying is going to identify what kind of products they're going to use and what kind of love they're going to put back into the vehicle. It's just because the parent was not ready for this amazing, beautiful car. And at this point, we just gotta do what we gotta do. So guys, the 56 is ready, and what a great progress we made. We got a bunch of scratches initially, sand marks, all type of scratches, swirls. The customer was a little bit upset about the situation of the condition of the car, but with the team here, we were able to put it back into shape. And I can just now wait for the client to come and pick up his vehicle. Come on, Mr. Jeff, this is your baby here.
Wow. Beautiful, beautiful.
Do you think this is your car?
Looks like a complete different car. I mean, shining. Got it all clean, shining, wheels shining, bumpers, glass.
I promised you that I was gonna do
a
completely makeover to it.
I'm very happy with it. It really, really pops. It looks nice.
And the good thing about it, you don't see all the sanding marks again like you were looking at before.
No.
Most of them, they're gone, especially the ones that were right here at this area.
Right in here. Man, I had no idea that it would look this good. I was real happy when I first walked in. I said, I hadn't even looked at it real good yet, but it looked 100% better.
Car is beautiful. I think now you can sit down behind your car, put your chairs, and enjoy every single
just
show
kick
car.
back, and it's fun. People come by and say, "Oh man, 1956 Chevrolet 150 utility car."
Everybody came here thinking there was a Bel Air.
Yeah, they all think it's a Bel Air.
Look, beautiful car, inside clean.
Yep.
Everything inside conditioner. Seats, all the seat was scrubbing clean to make sure they're
It
looking
looks
clean.
beautiful. I can't believe how good it turned out.
Hey,
It's beautiful.
thank you so much.
Thank you, Louise.
Thank you, my friend.
All right.
Mr. Jeff, enjoy
Take
your
care.
car. It's all yours.
Thank you.
Hey guys, if you like what you see here with the 150, I want to ask you to please like and subscribe. Your support is crucial for the business to grow. And remember, we not only work in all vehicles, we work in supercar, we work in hot rods, we work in anything that has wheels. Until next time, we'll see you soon. And you want to be part of the, wait a minute. Hey guys, if you like what you see in this episode today with the 150. We don't only work on all cars. No, wait a minute. Okay. Also, we're looking for great, cool, oh my God. I don't know why I went back and forth. You are a key benefit. No, man, I don't know why. Let me walk away real quick. I gotta get a little air.